How to make discount code on Acuity. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to create a coupon code or a discount code into your Acuity scheduling. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over Acuity and we're going to sign in for an account. Once we have did that, what we're going to do next is going to be very simple. We're going to head over the left side of the screen and we're going to click on packages, gifts and subscription. So we're going to choose from this menu coupons and we're going to create a new coupon for packages. We're going to name the coupon code, for example, let's say here 15 off. For example, the discount is going to be a percentage of 15% discount. And the client, each customer can use this once, for example. The expiration, we're going to give it a expiry date, for example, and we're going to save the coupon. So what coupon, each customer, code applies. So what can this coupon code be applied? So basically we're going to have it in here. So basically it is going to be creating appointments, for example, and then it is going to be the case here so like that. We're going to have it like this. So we have created the coupon or the discount. So whenever they are going to check out for an appointment, they are going to type in 15 off. So do not forget to set up the coupons and spread them over the social media accounts, also the let's say the clients, by having the email address sent off. So you're going to send specific let's say emails that will offer a promotion for discounts for your favorite customers and maybe some more new customers or new leads. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you on the next one.